Hello everyone and welcome to week 6. Can't believe we're almost in the home stretch. Let's take a look at what we have up for this week. So you're already watching the welcome to week 6 video. There is also another video for you to watch on the landing page for week 6. So it's about comprehension and how you can communicate easy strategies for parents to try out. We have a couple of chapters to read this week out of literacy in the early grades. You're going to read chapters 8 and 9. A lot of those focus on reading comprehension skills and strategies. And then you're only going to have to post on chapter 8. There's a chart on page 211. So look at the post as far as what I would like you to comment on there and when those due dates for posting are. We also are going to be reading out of the Absolutely Not book, the Fort book. Out of there, we're going to be reading chapter 9, which talks a little bit about fluency and comprehension. And then you're going to post on chapter 9. There are 2 choices for you as far as discussion topics on there. That one does not require a post back, so don't worry about that. Just put your thoughts down. The next thing on our agenda for the week is there's some websites that will also help you with some additional resources for comprehension strategies. And the post for that is just which one of those websites did you like and why did you like it and how might you use it. And since we did talk about the ELL signature assessment assignment for on our Saturday class, and we had the great resources shared with us from Home and Pupil Services with the WIDA Can-Dos. Use that website and then also continue to work either by yourself or with your partner to complete the ELL assignment. You have until the 24th to post that, so as soon as you finish getting it done, go ahead and post that right away into the folder. And then make sure if you do have a group that you put all of your names on there. Actually, what I'm going to have you do is each one of you will upload your own, because that's how I can grade it. So each one of you post it, even though you may have worked on it as a group, post your own. And then also, as just a reminder, since we did spend a great deal of time on Saturday learning how to conduct running records, they are pretty time intensive and we have a couple of them to do. So if you have ideas or started to figure out who you want to do running records with or getting those lined up, start working on that so that does not sneak up at you towards the very end of the quarter, end of our 8 weeks together. And you have ample time to administer and interpret and reflect on those running records. So that takes care of us for week 6. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Otherwise, good luck with all your work, and we'll see you again soon.